You've obviously heard of YouTube because you're viewing this video. But did you know that you can use it to listen to music and get paid every day, every hour, or even every minute? With this method, you can make money from anywhere in the world, including the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, the Philippines, and other nations. This chance is totally free, and you don't need a credit card or an investment to take advantage of it. Don't leave until the end because I'll teach you some incredible methods for tripling your earnings and making 5 times as much money with no work. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Let's start with the first website, Current, where playing music will earn you rewards. Pay attention because I'm going to show you a few applications that you can download for free on your phone, and then I'm going to show you an actual example of how to do this, including how to play music, what music you should play, and bonus tip that can help you earn more money. Due to the fact that I'll be teaching you on YouTube how to play all of this music and make a lot of money online, pay attention and don't miss any of this video. You may do it whether you're jogging, working, or resting, and you can still earn money by letting the music play in the background. According to a section on their homepage titled, "I want to earn a reward while I'm running." If you have an Android phone, you can now download this app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Make sure to download the right software if you're using an Android phone and want to use to earn cash and money reward Current Music Screen program. Therefore, this software has received 4.4 stars out of 100,000 reviews, which is fantastic for such a strong and entirely genuine app. This is currently available on Google Play Store, and you can download the exact same software for your iPhone directly from the App Store. Before I demonstrate in real life how to play music and how to pick the best songs that will pay you the most money, let me first demonstrate that there are over 100,000 radio stations, one of which is YouTube. With this program, you can now listen to music both online and offline without having to pay anything to begin starting. By listening to your favorite songs, you may earn points that can later be exchanged for real money. You should go to the YouTube Music radio station after downloading the app from Google Play or the App Store. This is what you'll see now when you log into your account. Since this is one of the strategies to earn money while playing music, pay great attention. I'll show you 2 more ways to monetize your musical talent. This is the homepage for YouTube Music, and as you scroll down, you'll see that there is a ton of songs, playlists, artists, and suggested music for you to choose from. As I'll demonstrate to you in a moment, by combining these 2 applications, you can make money entirely automatically. I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video so far before we delve any further. Also, if you enjoyed and learned something from this video, please comment below. Now, I'd like to give you an example of a playlist that I pay close attention to. I can play this page and a lot of music is already queued up, so I can add more music to this playlist. They'll play all the music immediately and then I'll get paid for each song. Once, for instance, this song has finished playing for 3 minutes and 31 seconds. You may then move on to the next music and so on. I can enable the repeat feature by hovering my mouse over the icon in the bottom right here, which will cause the playlist to automatically jump back to song number 1 and replay the entire playlist once it has finished playing from song number 1 to last song, allowing me to keep earning money. I'd want to add that you should make sure to have a ton of songs in your queue. As you can see, I have about 20 songs queued up to make money more quickly. The second piece of advice I'm going to give you is that when you visit the homepage, you'll notice a hot list with links to both music videos and videos of higher quality and more popularity that you may view. Again, I strongly advise you to pick one of these films because they will pay you more than the ones that are now available. Pay close attention since this website, Current, will compensate you whereas YouTube will not. You may sync this app with your YouTube Music so that you are paid when you play music on YouTube. This is the first way that you can play music and get paid. If you often watch YouTube videos, you're probably already familiar with the second technique I'd want to demonstrate to you. Although you are now viewing YouTube, did you know that you can play videos right here like this playlist? Additionally, you can earn money by repeating a music playlist like this one for an hour. To do this, you only need to listen to all of the songs in the playlist. Due to the fact that I'm currently opening 3 tabs, this is a real-world example I'm giving you. You can do it from your computer or from your phone, but I'm now working from my PC. As you can see, I'm currently listening to 3 distinct music playlists, number 1, number 2, and number 3. This is the first tab on my Google Chrome browser. I'll open another new tab to listen to more music, and I'll open a third browser to listen to more music. Another piece of advice is to keep a lot of tabs open while trying to listen to music in order to continually make money. Another advice that will help you earn even more money is provided below. The first tip is to search for songs on YouTube that are at least an hour long because you will earn more money if the song is longer. The second piece of advice is to double the speed when you click on this link under settings, since it will be normal by default. You can see the playback speed is set to 2, which means you may play the music twice as quickly. The more music you listen to, the more money you'll make. To double the speed, simply double right-click on this page. Now I'm going to give you another trick where you can reduce the quality off to 144p, which means that even if you have a slow internet connection or many people sharing your internet or Wi-Fi, you can still play the songs effectively since you want to play them in various formats. In order to avoid using up all of your internet bandwidth, you must lower the quality to 144 while continuing to play without halting. You can do other things like watch other videos or just be by yourself. Ensure that the current music app is connected to your YouTube radio station. You may play these two together using either the first way, which I'm currently demonstrating on the YouTube Music platform, or the second method, which I'm demonstrating right now on the YouTube platform. You can employ one of these strategies. But I'd like to present the last bonus advice to you right away. You can download and utilize YouTube Playback Speed Control on your computer or phone. I'd like to show you this new Google Chrome extension. It is totally free. They have over 80,000 users and you can play it on your phone and 3 times the standard speed if you download the Google Chrome browser, compared to just 2 times on YouTube. With this Google Chrome extension, you have the option to play at 3 times the normal speed in addition to 1.25, 1.5, 1.75, and 2 times the maximum. Using the keyboard in the top right corner, you can change the pace at which YouTube plays back content. The plus button allows you to speed up playing, and the minus button slows it down. You might make a lot of money if you download this extension because it will allow you to play music on the YouTube and YouTube Music platforms much more quickly. All you have to do now is visit the Google Play Store and download this software. Or if you're using an iPhone, visit the App Store and download the current Rewards offline music app. This is the final piece of advice I'd want to give you. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoy this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notified bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.